Buddy getting up from a nap? Hey, Devin. Open the curtains. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. You ready to get up? Huh? You ready to get up? Hey! Hi! Did you have a good nap, Devin? Did you? Time to open the curtains. Did you hear that? Now it's daytime. Hi. Hi.
What's up, little guy? Hey, did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap, huh? Oh, yeah.
Hi.
You're not tired anymore.
Here, let's get up. You ready? Let's sit up first. Good. Remember? Oh, look at that big boy sitting up. Look at him sitting up. You ready? Here we go. Yay. Say hi. Say hi, Daddy.
Devin. Hey, look over here, buddy.
Look at Daddy. Oh, don't look at Roxy. Look. You gotta look at Daddy. There she goes, see? Look at Daddy.